Welcome to today's explainer. Right off the bat, I want you to imagine something with me. Picture owning this really small, intricate machine. Now, on day one, you're spending hours building it. Day two, you're making some tweaks, improving it. Day three, you're fixing those annoying little nagging problems. Weeks turn into months, and then, one morning, the machine starts producing something valuable entirely on its own. Now, this isn't because you stopped working, but because the work you did in the past is actually continuing to create results.
Which brings us to a massive question that literally dominates financial forums and social media feeds right now. Can you actually make money while doing absolutely nothing? You know the drill. People love to imagine passive income as this magical money that just appears out of thin air while you're napping on a beach somewhere. But honestly, that right there is one of the biggest financial myths on the internet today. It's a complete misunderstanding of how wealth is actually built.
Okay, let's dive into this. First up, we've got the internet myth, that illusion that passive income means just avoiding work altogether. But it doesn't. In reality, passive income is about doing work that can keep creating value long after your original effort is finished. It's this major shift in how you deploy your time and energy. You're basically turning temporary effort into enduring value.
Section 1, the baseline. Meet Olivia and Daniel. They're both 28 years old, they work full-time, and they rely entirely on a paycheck that completely stopped the absolute second they stop working. But one evening over dinner, Daniel asks this really simple question. Do you think it's possible to earn money even when you're not working? Now, Olivia kind of just laughs it off, right? She says only rich people can do that. But Daniel smiles and points out a pretty fundamental truth. Every wealthy person had to start somewhere.
Section 2, the water wheel. A historical perspective.
Let's imagine you're living hundreds of years ago beside a river. Your daily reality is carrying these incredibly heavy buckets of water home every single day. I mean, it's exhausting, manual labor. But then you decide to build a water wheel. Now, building that wheel takes weeks, maybe even months of back-breaking work. But once it's finished, the river actually helps do the work for you. Sure, you still have to maintain it, you've got to repair it and improve it, but you are no longer carrying every single bucket yourself. And you know what? That is exactly how passive income works.
Section 3, active versus passive income, drawing the lines. Daniel draws two circles on a piece of paper to break down the fundamental differences here. The first circle, that's active income. This basically means getting paid directly for the time you work. We're talking your salary, your hourly wages, maybe freelance gigs or consulting fees. Look, most people begin their financial journeys right here, and honestly, there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's a very straightforward trade. You give them your time, they give you money. But then we have this second circle, passive income. Now, what's really interesting about this is the shift in focus. Passive income comes from assets that can continue generating money over time, even when you aren't working every single hour of the day. So you see, it's not about trading your time for dollars anymore. It's about building assets that do the heavy lifting for you. Some really practical examples of this include certain investments, royalties, digital products, businesses that have built-in systems, and rental properties. Think about it like this. Imagine spending an entire year writing a book. Every single chapter takes intense effort, right? The editing, the research, the whole shebang. But once it's published, months later, someone buys a copy, and then another person buys one. The active work happened way back in the past, but the value and, importantly, the income continues well into the future.
Moving to Section 4, Olivia's side project. The reality of starting. Inspired by this whole concept, Olivia decides to jump in and start designing printable planners to sell on an online marketplace. And here is how her timeline actually plays out. In month 1, she earns almost nothing. She feels incredibly discouraged, which, let's be real, most of us would. But she sticks with it. She keeps learning, improving, and really listening to feedback. By month 6, her sales slowly begin to increase. And looking to the future, every new sale doesn't require her to create the planner again from scratch. Her original work is now serving new customers. Back when Olivia was feeling super defeated early on, Daniel offered this really crucial piece of encouragement. He told her, "You're planting seeds." And guys, this mindset shift is absolutely necessary. You have to move away from this expectation of instant results and really embrace the idea of long-term growth. Section 5, the orchard. Scaling up. Think about it. Planting one single apple tree isn't going to yield enough fruit to feed an entire village. But if you continue planting trees year after year, eventually you've got yourself a thriving orchard.
And this brilliantly illustrates how massive passive income is actually built. I mean, it rarely ever starts out huge. Step 1 is simply accumulating one small asset. Maybe that's one course or just one small investment. Step 2 is continuing to add to that over time. And step 3, that's watching as those small streams eventually merge into this rushing river of income. Section 6, the reality check, dismantling the myth. So, one afternoon, Olivia sees this social media video promising thousands of dollars for doing absolutely nothing. Daniel immediately warns her to be careful. And he's right. If someone ever tells you there's no work involved in passive income, run. Seriously. Passive income actually requires a significant investment of time, money, knowledge, creativity, risk, and a whole lot of maintenance. Passive absolutely does not mean effortless. I mean, businesses need customers, stock markets fluctuate, rental properties require active management, and digital products need constant updates. It just means your income isn't tied exclusively to today's working hours. Section 7, the team. Lifting the heavy table. Imagine trying to lift a massive, heavy table entirely on your own. It's incredibly difficult, right? But if you have 4 people lifting it together with you, the job becomes significantly easier. Well, your assets work the exact same way. Look at this financial team. You've got your salary, your investments, digital products, a small business, dividends, royalties. The beauty here is that no single source has to do all the heavy lifting. Together, these individual team members create a really powerful safety net and incredible financial resilience. Section 8, 15 years later, the long game. Let's fast forward and see how this builds over the long term. Back at age 28, Olivia and Daniel were entirely reliant on a single paycheck. But now, at age 43, well, they actually still work because they genuinely enjoy their careers, but their financial lives are completely transformed. Olivia's digital products are selling consistently, her investments have grown through all the ups and downs of the market. Daniel's small business is now run by a highly capable team. And notice, neither of them found a secret shortcut or became wealthy overnight. They simply spent years building assets rather than relying on just one paycheck forever. Section 9, the final lesson, building lasting value. So here is the real truth. Passive income is not free money or instant wealth. The most successful strategies always begin with intense, active effort, learning new skills, saving capital, and solving problems for other people. And of course, they carry different time horizons and risks. So, the crucial point is this. Financial freedom is built one asset at a time. You do not need to build 10 income streams by tomorrow morning. You just need to start with one. One investment, one skill, one product, or even just one good idea. I'm going to leave you with this final question to really reflect on today. Will you keep looking for a shortcut, or will you start building something today that continues creating value long after the work is done? Seriously, think about what your very first asset could be. If this explainer helped clarify the real meaning of passive income for you, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear the truth about building sustainable wealth. Thanks so much for learning with me today.